everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I actually have an update. An update with rollouts and roll-ins, and I'm kind of excited for it because this will end at the end of the year, though I suspect it's coming back. This is a Child of the 80s round 2 with 80 prompts this year instead of the 40 that we had last year. It was created by Jaylon, and this year she actually got like a bunch of suggestions from other people on prompts, which I think it's cool. They came up with some really awesome prompts for this one just to like fill it out even more, and I am loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. Like I said, I have 5 rollouts. Wow. Did I do that right? Yes, and I forgot to pull one of my products because I keep forgetting to even use it, which is sad. So 5 are rolling out, 3 are continuing on because it is 8 products at a time or 8 prompts at a time. Let me show you what I am currently still working on. The first one is for number 35, Relax, Duran Duran. That is a favorite bath or pampering product. I have the Avon Nail Experts Nail Soak. I just haven't been taking the time for myself, so I haven't used it. Hopefully I will get to eventually use it because it's not that big. I really do like it. I enjoy it when I can actually soak my nails properly and do a really good job. But lately I've just been like taking the polish off, putting some new polish on, and you know, that's my cycle because I'm just so busy right now. You know, we all need to make time for ourselves, but it's hard when you're a mom. All right, moving on to number 4, Can't Buy Me Love. I believe this was credited to Deb, but I don't have it on my sheet right here, but like I have it in the back of my mind that Deb might have been the credit on this one. If I'm wrong, please correct me. That was a free gift with purchase, which I don't purchase that often, so I generally don't get free gifts. That tends to be like a Sephora or Ulta thing, which I really don't shop at either one too often. So I used the birthday gift. I think it was from Ulta years ago. This is the Tarte Party. I think everyone used to have this, so that is what I have for that one. I am expanding the pan on this one, but it's going to take a while. I'm wearing it today, but it's going to take a while. I enjoy it. I do like that one a whole lot, so I'm not mad at it still being here. And then at 20, we have Bueller. We have Ferris Bueller's Day Off. It's an wild or out of your comfort zone product. Blue eyeshadow. This is from the Coastal Scents 88 palette. And I am just trying to hit pan. Hopefully you can see. I do have a nice dip in this one. I tend to, like with blue or teal looks, eye looks, I will use this as like a liner topper to set my eyeliner. Almost jumped out of my hand. So that's why the dip is very central and deep. So who knows, maybe I will have pan in that by the next update. I don't know. And yes, I'm wearing like a mock turtleneck because I'm cold. It like went from summer to like almost winter here. It's just freezing. But I'm a big baby. I don't like to be cold, so you know how that is. Those are the 3 that are continuing on. Now I get to show you my 5 rollouts. Summer usage, and actually only one is an actual empty, and the others were just usage goals. My actual empty is not the first one up. Of course it's not. First one is number 6. I have the Tiger. That is an eye product. I wanted to hit pan in this Coastal Scents shadow, which I did. I don't like blues, but teals I do like. This is kind of borderline, so I tended to blend this in with other teals that I have, and it worked out just fine for me. I don't think I could do this one by itself. So that one wasn't bad. It's just going to go back into my collection. It's all good. Next one is 65, Girls Just Want to Have Fun. I'm going to have that stuck in my head now. Yeah, I remember the 80s when that was really popular. I chose the e.l.f. Cream Eyeliner in Punk Purple. And this was just number of uses goal, which I've reached. And yeah, I like this one. It's going to take a while to finish it up, which is why I just put it in for usage because, you know, sometimes girls just want to have fun and play with colorful things. Let's see. Next up is the one that's actually empty, but it was a one-time use thing. I just had to have time to do it. This one is also credited to Deb 30 Mullet, its favorite hair product. And for color, I do Demi Permanent because I had permanent color. It's like from here down and it was getting super brassy. So I use a Demi Permanent and it kind of works like a toner on my hair. It blends the top in with the bottom. And yeah, I'll probably be using something like this until all of that permanent, like where it had lift, is done. Who knows? Maybe I'll just keep using that. I like it. And the color that I used is the medium natural blonde. Does this look blonde to you? No. And the reason I chose the blonde was because I read the reviews on it, and a lot of people said they liked it, but it pulls extremely dark. So it is darker than my natural color, but it'll fade, so I'm okay with that. I think the last time I used the medium ash blonde, and I think I like that one a little bit better. This wasn't bad. I think I'm going to try the ash again. I don't know. Wondering if I should try like the next level up to see if it's not quite as dark. Who knows? All right, next one. Number 3, 16 candles of product that makes all your wishes come true. This is the NYX Glitter Primer. And this was just a usage goal, and yeah, I like it. Of course I like it. It's glitter glue. It's not its official name. It's glitter primer, but you know. And 24 Perfect Strangers. It's a new item in my collection. I got this for Christmas, I believe. Christmas or birthday. I'm pretty sure it was Christmas from my kids, and it was brand new. I hadn't even swatched it yet, and this was also a usage goal, and I exceeded my number of uses. I really like this palette a whole lot. I can't wait till I can play with it on a regular basis because I love my greens. So yeah, I'm happy about that. All right, I am going to insert the screen grab of me rolling for 5 new numbers and 5 new prompts. Okay, the first prompt that I got was number 76, and that is Simon Says, a product you bought because someone told you to. In a roundabout way, a friend did tell me to purchase this perfume. Back when I lived in Kentucky, I want to say I was there for like 2 or 3 years. I was hanging out with a friend. We were shopping at the mall because that's what we did back then. And there was a perfume store. I know like all malls have those kind of perfume stores where it's like nothing but perfume, and you go in and you smell like 60 million things, and you sniff coffee beans in between because, you know, you have to cleanse your palate. And this is the Jean-Charles Rousseau Ombre Rose. It is divine. I really like this one a whole lot. This is not the bottle that I purchased when I was shopping with my friend. I have used that one up, and I have purchased a new one. Actually, my husband bought it for me for Christmas 2 years ago, and I really haven't used it more than a couple times since then, so I'm excited to be able to use it for this. So I'm going to put this one at 5 uses because I am working on other fragrances, but you know, at least I'll get to use it. Let's see. The next one was 59. I gotta have more cowbell. That was funny. Back when SNL was actually really funny. It is a product that's an integral part of your routine. Words, Jessica, words. Some people might think skincare routine or makeup routine. This is actually my nail polish routine, and it is going to be the I&M Out the Door top coat. It is a fast drying top coat. It's glossy and I love it, and yeah, this to me, this is holy grail status, and I can't do my nails without having a fast drying top coat, and like I said, this is my holy grail as far as that. So that is going to be 10 uses. I went higher on the uses, double on the uses, because I do really like to polish my nails, and I know I can get some good usage out of that. All right, next is 71 Dipstick from Dukes of Hazzard. I watched that when, you know, when I was in the 80s. I did watch that. That's an item you feel like an idiot for buying. Oh, the possibilities, because don't we all have products in our collection that we're like, why? Why did I buy that? This one is a Coastal Scents product, but it's probably not what you think. It's not an eyeshadow. Though I do have a few that I'm like, why did I buy those? But I'm not bringing any more eyeshadows in to any projects right now. This is actually a lipstick. One, I am not a bullet lipstick girl. I do own some, but they're not my preference. So I don't know why I buy them. And get this, look at the color. It just has a number. It's 07. You can tell I've put it over something dark previously. It like concealer lips. Why would I do that? What crack was I smoking when I thought, hey, why don't we purchase this nude lipstick that is going to make me look like death? I don't know. I'm setting this at 5 uses, and I'm sure I will be putting it over something that's dark to kind of, you know, make it so I don't look quite as dead. All right, moving on to 52. It Takes Two. And now that song's going to be stuck in my head. Rob Bass and DJ Easy Rock. It is a duo or dual-ended product. Bringing in the lip liner. This was in a project previously. I was unable to finish it. So I am bringing in the e.l.f. Lip Definer Shaper in Nude and Natural. Don't ask me which side is which. I don't know. They're kind of the same color. And like, is that a dog hair on there? Yes, it is. No outfit or lipstick or lip product is complete without a little dog hair. Yeah, I want to finish it. It's so tiny. One end has a slight shimmer to it and the other one is matte. Yeah, I like that. And I would like to get that finished. So that one is to finish. That one is not for usage because there's not a ton left, and I figure that can be done by the end of the year. It would be nice to have another product done. All right, and number 18, Indiana Jones, a product from an indie brand. And I chose, it took me a while to figure out what I wanted to do for this one because I'm that person that I don't really pay attention to what's indie and what's not, who owns what or any, like that is just not in my purview. I don't pay attention to that kind of stuff. And so I always have to research when it's something like that. So I'm going with the Kulfi eyeliner. Not coffee like the stuff you drink. Kulfi, K-U-L-F-I. It is an Indian brand, a brand from India. And this is the Tiger Queen eyeliner. If you watched my empties, you saw that it came in over the summer, and I really haven't had a lot of chance to play with it. Look at that. Ugh, I'm so in love with this eyeliner. It is a beauty. If I can get the lid off. Come on, lid. Look at that. It is gorgeous. I can't wait to play with it. It's like that burnt orange, rusty kind of color. It is perfect for this time of year. So I'm setting this at 5 uses. So I can get some usage on it without like being like married to it, so to speak. And, you know, just have some fun with it because I got a lot of things I need to try to finish this year. And we know that's not going to happen, but I got to at least try, right? So 5 uses on this. We have 3 products with 5 uses, the perfume, the eyeliner, and the Death lipstick. And then we have 10 uses on the top coat and trying to finish the e.l.f. dual-ended lip liner. All right, that was a lot of words. I'm tired. I'm not used to filming anymore. I'm really not. So I'm going to wrap this up. Definitely check out Jaylon and everyone else that has joined in. This is a PANtastic Ladies collab. Pretty darn sure this is coming back, but don't quote me on it, but I'm pretty sure it is. All right, check everyone else out down there. Wow, it's getting late. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.